Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You have bunch of data and want a quick analysis of it. You don't have that much time to go in depth and thinking about if some AI tools like ChatGPT or else can do it quickly for you, then it will be better. So, don't worry, I am going to show you how Excel will do such task for you within few clicks. Let's just do it.
Just go to Home tab and you can move here. There is the Analysis Data or Analysis tab. Just go to click this. Once you will click, magic will begin. You can see here Excel is automatically analyzing your data and giving insights from this. You can just go to click that one. Suggested questions. Percentage of total profit and for each segment. If you want to get that one, just click it here and you can get that the total percentage of profit by segment wise. You can get this one. Just go back to this and you can see Excel is by default it's giving profit by subcategory and region. If you click on that, you will get the nice table with the profit of subcategory region wise, and you can change the data in the appropriate format. Then next, if you go to move to scroll down, you can see that discount by region. Just go to grab this one table also pivot chart. Then you can see that region wise we have some of the discount. Which region has more discount? You can see on the chart also. Next, you can sum of the quantity category. We have some graph and pivot table. You can go and change, modify and use it. And next you can see that we have subcategory table and it is showing that applicable lower profit, lower and higher profit. Okay. So from this table you can see that we have tables which has very less profit on this. It is in the minus, and then copier is the higher profitable item. From the table also you can see that one. By chart you can see that copier is showing higher profit and table is in negative. You can see that it's showing that suggesting that more than 30 result is still there. If you click here, you can get it. And you can choose whatever you want from the table, chart or graphs. You can see that shipment mode. Okay, standard classic shipment mode is higher. And you can go and you can arrange it as in a dashboard. Even you can use this one chart. You can go copy or cut and put it in your dashboard somewhere here. And arrange it. So like this we can see how quickly we arrange and we get all the insights from the data. Even from here, you can ask the question. You can see here this showing that ask a question about your data. You can ask the question that how, or you can say the sales by customer name. You want to know that the customer name was sales, then you can get that table also. You can see that these are the customer name and these are the some of the sales. Even you can change it. You can update it also once you will click on inside the table, pivot table, and then you can see that you can change that one. You want to change it to the category or subcategory wise. Just go to drag this one, and you want to remove this one also, you can remove it. So you can see that later on you can modify also this subcategory, and then you can change the name. If you move to the next, total sales by product name, and you can see it is suggesting that total sales by customer name. It is also giving. You can say that average sales by category. If you write that, it is showing that average sales by the category. We have technology, average sales is this much, and then furniture, and then last one is office supply. So you can see that average sales of the technology, and you can add it here also. If you add the subcategory also, you can see that inside the technology we have subcategories, and now we can go and copy this one also, and you can put it in the sheet wherever you want. You can use it here also.